Hi there. Today we are going to install the Arduino IDE in order to create amazing projects with this little electronic board. And so let's go to the page here and download the software. And we go to section software, it looks like it. Arduino web editor, okay, that is interesting. We can do that online. Or we can download the Arduino IDE. And I have a Mac. Open source Arduino software makes it easy to write code and upload it to the board. The software can be used with any Arduino board. Okay, so I have the Arduino Uno Wi-Fi R2. It says Mac OS X 10.10 or newer. Yes, I have a very new version of Mac OS. So we click just download for the moment. Okay, and I open that archive. Okay, and now I can start that Arduino program because I have put it into my programs folder. Hopefully. Yes, we would like to open that. And that is the Arduino IDE that is opening. Okay, interesting. And so the first tutorial is already complete. We have the Arduino IDE in front of us here with these nice menus. We go into the other stuff, how to connect a real electronic board and such in the next tutorial. So thank you for the time being.